Hey everyone, first of all, congratulations to all of you. If you watched my previous video and joined the Bitget wallet airdrop, then check your Bitget account. I've received 22,000 KuCoins for participating in this airdrop. So, let's move on to today's video topic. Today, I'm going to give you information about KuCoins, including how you can withdraw them to exchanges, a price prediction, and the expected listing date. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, please check it out. I explained how you can earn big profits by finding the right airdrops. Let's start the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I regularly upload high-profit airdrop opportunities. Also, join my Telegram channel because I share important information there. So, let's get started. First, I'll show you how you can withdraw your KuCoins to an exchange. Open your Cats mini app on Telegram and you'll see how many coins you've earned. Tap on the airdrop section and you'll see that your allocation is currently being calculated. To withdraw your KuCoins, tap on exchanges, then tap the continue button. You'll see 4 exchanges open for withdrawal. 1. Bitget, 2. Gate.io, 3. Bybit, 4. KuCoin. If you withdraw through Bitget, you'll receive an extra 30,000 KuCoins. Now select the exchange. I'm choosing Bitget. Tap send here. And if you have a Bitget account, tap meow, I have it. If you don't have one, I'll provide the link in the description to create one. Now, enter your Bitget UID and Cat's deposit address. To fill in this information, open your Bitget account, tap on the icon, copy your UID, and paste it here. Then go back, tap Assets, tap Add Funds, then Deposit Crypto and search for Cat. Copy the deposit address and paste it in the app, then tap Send. You'll receive your KuCoins when the distribution starts. Now let's move on to the price prediction for KuCoins. Yes, I've already made a video about the price prediction, but here's an updated estimate. KuCoins will likely list between $5 and $6. For more detailed information, you can check my previous video. Finally, let's talk about the listing date for KuCoins. As you know, the KuCoin snapshot day was set for September 30th, but due to technical issues, it has been postponed by 3 days. Based on my calculations, the KuCoin listing date will be approximately between October 10th and October 20th. So, the coin will likely be listed in mid-October. That's all for this video. Once again, congratulations to everyone who participated in the Bitget wallet airdrop for KuCoins. I'll see you soon in the next video.